how to create a pin on Pinterest. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So today I'm going to show you how you can easily create a pin on your Pinterest. So let's dive right in. Open up your app and then choose the photo or video that you want to save. Hit the save option and you'll have two options, that is to save it to your existing pin or create a new one. So if you want to save it to your existing one, just tap on your one of the boards where you want to save it, and there you go, it has been saved to your farewell cake board. Now if you want to create a new pin, then tap on it and then hit save again and then tap on create board and put a board name. Hit create, and that's it. It's as simple as that to create a pin on Pinterest. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.